what I was just saying before, that she's,
Hmm.
she has to believe in herself, because if she doesn't, no one else will. So very often when we are faced with challenges, or even before we are faced with challenges, even before we start, we are often waiting for others to come and, praise us and boost us and say, this is a wonderful idea, or, you're going to succeed. And then only, we are going to take it forward. Or if we are faced with a problem, we are waiting for someone to come and help us, give us a helping hand. Then only we'll be able to surpass it. If you are going to be an entrepreneur, you have to be ready to believe in yourself when no one else does. If you are going to be an entrepreneur, then you have to be ready to get up on your own every time you fall. Let alone someone helping you to get up, there will be no one around to nurse your bruises also if you're injured. You have to, if there is someone like that around for you, well and good, you're lucky, that's great. But be ready for that situation where there is not going to be anyone to even ask you, are you hurt? And you're going to fall down multiple times, get hurt multiple times, and you're going to be able to get up back on your own, and you're going to keep believing in yourself. If you can do that, then everything is possible. And that is the mindset you should have if you're going to take up something as challenging as entrepreneurship.
Ma'am, I think what you said just now is not just about entrepreneurship, it is also about life because
Absolutely.
every.
Yes, I totally agree with you. It is a life skill that we need to have. And actually, entrepreneurship is not, something out of this world. Entrepreneurs are not, a different species. So, it is not natural life skills that, we have. That is probably, we have to use a little bit more when we are on this journey as well.
Thank you, ma'am. That was really inspiring. I mean, I got really inspired about the answer that how we can just in normal life we can be an entrepreneur by believing in ourselves. We just need to believe in ourselves that we can overcome any kind of. Ma'am, this kind of mindset. I have a question about that. How do normal person like business entrepreneurship is beyond business, it's like a thought, it's a major thought of a person that he can solve problems just like you solved problems, you saw problem, you solved it. So how can a normal person just stick to the problem and stick to the thought that they can just solve problems? Because many of them have this belief that they can just, no one would care, no one would help out. It's a thought in a normal way, it's a thought. So ma'am, how they can just give out the thought and stick to the plan that they can do the things in
I
entrepreneurial way?
What I think is it depends on why are you doing it. For example, I'll tell you why I do the things that I do. Everything I do is to create a positive impact in the environment, in society. I know every work that I do is to spread smiles. I'm clear about who it is that I'm doing this for and why or how they're going to benefit from it. Now, if you know these things clearly in your mind, and if you're passionate about it, then I don't think there's going to be, other limiting thoughts. They will come and go. I'm not saying they won't come, but they'll come and go because your overriding belief is in the work you're doing. However, nowadays, entrepreneurship has become a buzzword. It has been considered to be cool if you say you're going, you're an entrepreneur or you're going to do a startup. And everyone now has, uses these terms very lightly. So the problem there is if you're going to say, I'm going to start a startup to be cool, or if you think that you're going to get into entrepreneurship because you think that's the easy route to fame, success, money, because that is the way it is now being projected. It's being projected in the media and by a certain section of people for their own vested interests. But if you are not foolish enough to understand that, and if you think that I'm going to say I'm an